Rats will drink drug-laced water until it kills them. That was the conclusion of almost every addiction study run before 1978. A rat, alone, in a bare metal cage, with one bottle of morphine water. They drank compulsively. They died. Researchers declared the drug itself the villain. Then psychologist Bruce Alexander noticed something everyone had missed. Every single rat in those studies was living in complete isolation, so he built Rat Park. A large, open environment filled with other rats, toys, space to move, and the same drugged water available on the side. The rats barely touched it. Even rats that were already physically dependent on morphine, once moved into Rat Park, largely stopped using it on their own. Nothing about the drug changed. The cage changed. This one finding quietly broke the standard model of addiction because it suggested the substance was never the whole story. The real variable was disconnection, and that pattern does not stop at drugs. The opposite of addiction may not be sobriety, it may be connection.